Yun, ang ating itlog. Wow, kita nyo yan guys. Dalawang itlog lang to, scramble lang. Yun oh. Oh lala. Oh lala lala. Look at that. Wow. More eggs. Eggs, scrambled eggs. Tapos may rice tayo dito. Ayan natin rice. At saka munggos. Ginataang munggos. I-mix ko lang yan guys. Yung ginataang munggos. At saka rice. Kunti lang yung rice. Okay.